Top 5 Best F-150 Bed Covers in 2020. Number 5. Rugged Liner E-Series Soft Vinyl Folding Tonneau Cover. The E-Series Vinyl Folding Tonneau Cover comes with the resilient Q-shaped border closure that helps keep the weather components away from the bed, ideal for people who are looking to protect any items in the bed of their truck, adding a ton of convenience. Design features. This tonneau cover brings a ton of benefits to truck owners. It features a sleek, reliable, durable design that improves aerodynamic function and allows you to save gas mileage. The E-Series Vinyl Folding Bed Cover notably features 3-fold vinyl construction and backed by a lifetime warranty to serve you a long time to come. Once you've installed this tonneau, you can lock the tailgate for extra security on your gear. As for the price range, this tonneau cover will provide all the protection you need without smashing your piggy bank. Convenient features. This bed cover comes ready to install out of the box, allowing you a custom fit on your truck, meaning there's no drilling or extra tools required to set it up. Rugged included robust clamp fasteners that will enable you to integrate the tonneau so that it can sit on the bed rails seamlessly. Another convenient feature you'll find in this tonneau is the tri-fold design that allows you to open the cover in 3 sections so that you can load large items. Additionally, you can drive your truck with the lid partially or fully open without any flapping noise. Verdict. The Rugged Liner E-Series Vinyl Folding Tonneau is an easy-to-install and easy-to-use cover that will allow you to save money on gas mileage. The E-Series Vinyl Folding Tonneau is an excellent truck bed cover for people looking for an affordable tri-fold product to keep their luggage safe from weather element and theft. Pros. Affordable tri-fold tonneau. Easy to install with no drill or extra tools required. High-quality construction. Comes completely assembled and ready to fit out of the box. Cons. The plastic clamps could be improved to serve longer, coming in number 4. Ford F-150 Bed Truxedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. This is a rugged tonneau cover that offers people looking for an economical way to cover their pickup truck bed. It comes completely assembled out the box with no loose parts that will require additional tools or drilling for installation. It's an excellent choice for securing your cargo with a sleek low-profile look. Design features. Ford F-150 Bed Truxedo TruXport features a soft roll-up design that you can roll up in a matter of seconds, allowing you to have full access to the bed to haul large objects without impairing your visibility out of the rear window. The tonneau also incorporates bolts that help to keep the cover tight, preventing it from sagging when it rains heavily or it's snowing. Secondly, the F-150 Truxedo TruXport cover features a thick leather grain vinyl material that is durable and UV-resistant, backed with a 5-year lifetime warranty should you ever need it. There's an adjustable tension control integrated into the latching system that allows easy access to your gear. Convenient features. Many benefits come with installing a tonneau cover on the back of your truck, like protecting your cargo from weather elements, among other benefits. If keeping your things secure is your number 1 preference, then the Ford F-150 Bed Truxedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Cover may not be the best option to meet this need. Besides, the tonneau comes with a hook and loop system that helps to keep the cover in place on the side. The front and the rear of the rail also incorporate built-in rubber seals that keep any extra moisture out of the back. The push-and-close system near the tailgate integrates a locking mechanism that locks the cover in place as long as the tailgate is locked up. However, keep in mind that this is a soft cover with Velcro on the sides, so don't expect much. Verdict. The classic roll-up design featured in the Ford F-150 Bed Truxedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Cover offers your vehicle with a sleek low-profile look and at the same time ensure top-quality protection at an affordable price. Pros. Reasonably priced. Easy, no-drill installation. Great functionality. Practical features that make it useful. Cons. You only get a certain level of protection. Coming in number 3. Gator Hybrid High Folding Tonneau Truck Bed. Gator Hybrid High Folding Tonneau is a robust, lightweight truck bed cover that features a solid ABS plastic construction, offering a more rugged alternative to the more expensive competitors in its category, making it a suitable choice for people on a tight budget. Design features. Gator Hybrid High-Folding Truck Bed is designed to stand up heavy use in the harshest conditions and in most unyielding climates thanks to the hard ABS plastic panels covered in industrial-grade matte finish and the weather-resistant CPMD seals on the side. Additionally, the stainless steel hinge pins that keep the cover secure on the road. There are an innovative rear fin seals placed near the tailgate that offer additional protection from weather elements and also allow you to quickly and easily clamp the latches for better security of your gear. Convenient features. Gator Hybrid High-Folding Tonneau features a matte black leather vinyl material construction that offers a sleek look. You can haul a large load by completely removing the cover by folding the panels layer after layer in less than 5 minutes, a fantastic convenient feature for a more practical package. As far as this budget folding truck cover goes, there is no other better option in its category that can give you a secure latching system that keeps all your things safe at the price range. Additionally, another convenient feature that comes with this product is the easy one-person installation assembly for stress-free home installation. Verdict. The Gator Hybrid High-Folding Tonneau cover will look as though it came integrated with your truck thanks to the precise, near-factory fit and the matte black leather grain vinyl finish that give it a brilliant look. Pros. Easy one-person installation. Works well to keep things dry. Watertight. Requires no tools for installation. Cons. Price tag, coming in number 2. BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Truck Tonneau Cover. If you are looking for the ultimate tonneau solution that will offer you a fast-rate high-quality mechanism, then we'd recommend BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau that allows the opening and closing of the cover with a flat latch handle to secure valuable equipment. Design features. BAKFlip G2 model features a flat latch handle build that opens independently without opening the tailgate. To fully unlock the rest of the BAKFlip, you have to release the release cord on each panel for 100% unobstructed access to your entire truck bed when you need to haul a large load. BAKFlip G2 features durable aluminum construction and a textured surface that mimics the different parts of your truck for seamless stylistic integration. Another critical function includes the simple release cables and the concealed latch system placed under the tonneau cover. Additionally, the EPDM rubber seals protect each cover panel from leaking during heavy rains to keep your gear dry. Convenient features. BAKFlip G2 truck bed comes with automatic latching panels that don't require any drilling to install, which is a nice convenient feature that allows you a quick and easy installation. There are draining tubes that included in this model that helps to remove any water that has collected in the canister to keep the bed cover dry. The low-profile design improves the aerodynamics of your truck, while the hinge system allows for more efficient water resistance to allow you to transport things on rainy days without having to worry. The bed cover is also a durable and sturdy product with a scratch resistance feature that will last you years to come. Verdict. Although it doesn't spot all the bell and whistles of the more expensive RetraxPro XR retractable, the BAKFlip G2 truck bed is a more affordable option for truck owners who need optimal features of a truck bed cover that gives them better gas mileage. Pros. Aerodynamic design that improves gas mileage. Ensures your cargo is dry and secure. Easy installation. Reasonably priced. Cons. Poor quality control, as the panels can come stuck on one another, making challenging to pull them apart. Coming in number 1. RetraxPro XR Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This is a low-profile feature-packed retractable cover with an incorporated Trax rail structure that permits exclusive, unique customization of your truck tonneau. RetraxPro XR model is an excellent choice for people looking for ultimate versatile cargo management. Design features. This tonneau from the Retrax brand features solid construction from high-quality aluminum planks that draw back, devoid of connections and joints, and don't trap dust or freeze in cold weather. The included sealed ball bearing allowed the slats to roll along the rails quickly. Besides, the low-profile design integrates a flush cover which enhances the overall appearance, providing a firm, dependable seal that keeps the truck bed dry thanks to the firm seal that surrounds the cover. The RetraxPro XR is made in the USA and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Convenient features. You can pair this bed cover with other fixtures to increase your load capacity thanks to the T-slot unique technology that adds hauling and hitching options for mounting bikes, kayaks, snowboards, and other outdoor gear. RetraxPro XR series comes in a matte-like finish with a locking handle at the top that you can use to lock the tonneau from any locking position along the rail for easy one-hand operation. Verdict: RetraxPro XR retractable truck bed is a high-end, versatile product that works perfectly T-slot fixtures and is suitable for people looking for a tonneau that will provide them easy access to gear and can close it easily for secure, clean and dry storage. The Retrax can latch the cover in any partially open position, which is a convenient feature for locking lightweight cargo in place. Pros: installs easily. Durable construction. Watertight. High-quality product. Cons: price tag. The packaging could be improved.